after checking out Johnson Hill, I figured it was time to check out somewhere new. So this is basically part 3 of our journey to Hellshire's most impressive mansions, where every turn reveals something new. So today we're at Sandhills Bay for the first time to see what this community has to offer. If you've been enjoying these mansion tours, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel to grow, and it also let me know what kind of videos you guys like. Alright, so do that for me. Just hit that like button. Alright, so without further ado, alright, so let's kickstart this video. Alright, so this is basically the entrance of this area. So here we are at Sandhills Bay. Alright, so alright, so here, let's see what's on this Manatee Avenue. Hope you guys can see. Alright, so I'm already at till over here, so 24-hour video surveillance. So I hope they have less breaking in these kind of areas, because these areas are normally known to be like quiet, especially in the morning area. No people are at work and stuff like that. So this is the first one. I'm gonna do my best to take as much time as possible so you guys can see the house. Alright, see, there's one in construction right now, but it seems like it's not even a work man right now. I basically put on hold. To the side. This looks like that could be a big one too. Alright, see. I have one over this side, a nice looking purple one. So far, I haven't really seen any massive looking ones, but let's just continue walking. A lot of unfinished homes around this section. Look at this one over here. This one look like that could be a massive looking one. Not sure. Not even seem like I'm gonna go upstairs, but it's gonna look good when it finish. The owner just need to slap some nice color paint on it and fix up the driveway. And trust me, people, it's gonna look really nice right here. I tell the people, you know, these areas are nice, especially you can see the sea over there. Oh my God, it's a nice view. See this one right here. I mean, these beach view homes are always nice. My only concern is how close the homes are to the sea. That's just a big no-no for me, especially in the hurricane time. Definitely not. Because whenever hurricane, you know the water can come in and stuff like that, right? So that's the only reason why I wouldn't like these kind of homes. But otherwise, it's a nice little setting. Definitely. Not to mention how expensive the lands are in these kind of areas. But the view, oh my God, is so nice. Watch out, people. Can you imagine just come out to your house and just come around here and just chill out, relax yourself? It's always a nice feeling. Alright, so let's continue the journey. So basically in this one, the homes are a bit spaced out. So there might be a little more walking in this video before we get to another house. So because in part 2 the homes were so close, and the journey was still long enough, but at least the homes were a bit closer. But these ones are much spaced out. But in the meantime, at least I can show you the type of views that these people have in this area. It's definitely a nice feeling. There are some homes around that section. I think we passed that unfinished one right there. I see another one around a section that I'm heading around right now. So just gonna take a look at those and we can continue to the others. This is a pretty quiet area so far as I can see. but it's expected. You know, it's in the middle of the week, so people are probably just stay at work or something. So let's check out these two. Can tell that this one on the right is going to be massive, right? It's in construction right now, but you can tell it's going to be massive when it finishes. All right, let's move on to something else. All right, see, there's another one on this side. So far what I'm seeing is this area doesn't really have that much homes around here. I hope where I'm heading has a lot more. Alright, so back on the main right now. Alright, so they have this one on here. Some of the dog over there. Morning time. I like me want to jump on the fence one. So we have one on this side, people. Me I tell you, this look like it'll be the closest to the sea. Closest one to the sea so far. I'm showing it from the side, man. It look, man. But this one look. Let me see if water would actually bother this one. Alright. So you have one on this side in construction right now. People have all them styling kind of thing. Alright, so this is the one. So this is the view what them people have. Can you imagine a view like this, yo? Watch what people must do. Can you imagine? Look on the view what them people have. I have to mention this one, because this one is much closer. Much closer. Alright. So one of them really look like it have a door and everything, so it look like somebody might, yeah, somebody live here. So this is the one that we just came from, and the view is spectacular, people. Alright, this is some nice looking one down there. Alright, make sure if you can go down there and take a look at them. Alright, so this avenue is called Marlin Terrace. Alright, so nice looking ones right here. Oh, that seems to be a apartment complex. I mean, I look at it so far and I say, I can't, a house big so. I mean, I know there are actually homes that are that big, but from where I was seeing it, it looked like really like bigger than this. But yeah, the apartment complex right here. Yes, which part of it up right by the sea. can't see the whole of the house, but people, let's take a look at this. Look at the view them have. Jeez. And it's nice. Alright. So let's just go back on the main and check out a few more. It doesn't seem like there's that much on this stretch, as far as I can see. Have a nice garage doors and stuff like that. I could have fit like 2 vehicles. This looks like it's a much older model. This is like there for a good while. The old school look. But look at the side of this one. Look at this, people. Alright, this one now, I'm not too sure what to make of it because it look like people in there right now. But I don't know, it look like them give up on it. Trees in the house are growing everything. So, I don't know where I'm going with that one here. Open, I can't see it. Alright. Everything can happen, you know. You know, you start building money that run on him something and just, you know, hard times happen. But, you know, nevertheless still, it's a nice looking area still. Definitely a nice little area. Look at this one. Look at this one. Let's take a look, see. Alright, so this one is on this Snapper Terrace. Snapper Terrace. Some of them with everything. Alright. Most of them you can't really see inside the house them so good because the fences are so high and they're such on a high rising place. You can tell that somebody lives there. I'm not sure. There's some zinc on the top of it and stuff like that. So, not sure. Morning time. Enough building are going around us, so people. This one right here. Nah, like still people have them dogs in them place. Mess around, secure the system, dogs and everything. Alright, so this one over here. As you can see, this one is in the works right now. They're going all the way up. Alright, so next one here. It's the last one on the street. So I have to vacate this area and head to a different section because there's no more homes around this area. So guys, just stay tuned and wait for that part. Alright, so we basically finished over this side, so we'll be heading on this section. Let's take a look at this sign. The Sandhills Resident Citizen Association. Alright, so we'll be heading in that part. So alright, so the roads there. But this is basically the main road, so they want to be the judge, so we'll enter Sandhills Circle. Alright, so let's kick off this tour. Alright, so like I said, people, this is basically a different section because the one that we just came from, it don't really have, it has some nice homes, but it don't really have that much. This section now look like it have crazy amount. There's a next sign over this section. Showing it. Alright, so Sandhills Citizen Association. Welcome. Alright, so as far as I can see, I don't know which part to start from. Either this side or this side. Let's see. Alright, so we might have to just start on this side first, and then we'll just work our way and just come back around. So this is basically the first one, right? Not too bad, right? Close up everything. Based on how the inside looks, seems like these people are away. No, we can't really see over the fence. But so it's still. As you can see, there's a lot of vacant lots. A lot of vacant lots. Alright, so next one here, so in the works. Alright, let's move on. So there's a lot of them in the works right now. So look like a developing community at the moment. It's developing. People have them camera up and stuff like that. Over here, so it's not vacant because you can basically see, I don't know if you can see the little board, so basically somebody's going to build here very shortly. So whoa, that one you look crazy. Cha-cha. Like that one, people. Look at this one. Open if you can see it well. Gates, everything look nice. Grass on the outside, walkway, everything. Whoa. Alright, so let's move on. A lot of these homes basically have the big fences, so you can't really see over them. This one is a nice one as well. Alright. Like I said, a lot of vacant land around this section. A lot of vacant lots on both sides. Can't bet in a few years, man, you're gonna see a house over here. So a couple of them over here. So. And then I have these. I can basically tell them, and people are go on top. Here, they are going on top. And that's the section over there that we're coming from. Look on this one. Cha-cha. Yo, I tell the people of Jamaica them love them big houses, you know? That's your people. People them love them big houses. Even the one here. Watch it. The one here have a massive. Them not finished completely on the top yet, but it's basically look like 95% finish. So, you can see from the side as well. Alright, so you know, you're gonna have these one floors, not everybody likes to go on top. Plus, with these kind of roofing, kind of hard for you to go on top. You'd have to remove everything and start all over from scratch. But yeah, so this one definitely looks nice. This one definitely looks nice as well. You don't have to go on different floors like second floor, third floor for your house to look nice. People, they can always keep it on the flat, and you know, you have your rooms and bathroom, everything. You know, it's making like your house looking just nice without even going at the top. And like I said, people, there's a lot of vacant lot. Watch it. Can't just imagine the millions them for them lot here. Jesus. I see view lots of people. See view lots them here. So you can just imagine the millions them we have to pay to get a piece of this. Alright, so we gotta touch upon the big one them, yo. Alright, people, no worry on yourself, man, we'll soon reach it. Uncut, right? So I don't want to miss nothing, wanting to see everything. Wanting to see the full journey. And guys, like I said, if you reach this far in the video, please just press the like button, alright? So we came from over there, right? That's part of the first section that we went, and now we're on this section. God, the views are nice here, so people. Views are lovely. This place is really quiet. But as I say, you can't expect those are the things. It's the middle of the week. People are probably at work. So it's expected. Look on this one. Cha-cha. Generation, Punjab. Generation. You know, I always hear people that say, yo, why build such a big house? What do you mean, man? If you have the money, why not? Why not if you have the money? Look at this one. If you don't have the money, people, in the building don't want to build. We have one life to live, all right? You can live to your kids and kids, for them kids, live for them kids, and it just can't be a continuous thing. But this one is definitely nice. It's definitely a nice looking one. You know why? I always wonder why people always like them paint like the presentable areas and leave the sides them unpainted. Leave in the comment section. Why people always do that? Alright, so is this a one? Now try to figure if that shining up on one. This is just one big one. I'm gonna work on the top right now. This is gonna be crazy massive as well. This is from the side. Yeah man, I wonder how crazy massive. Look at this one. Not the best driveway, but alright. Seemed like they had a bit of a roofing issue for this section. Not sure if it happened in Hurricane Melissa. But this section right here, yes, it don't have any roof. I don't know if one of the pretty roof was on it and go away, but it has no roof. So but anyways, let's continue the journey. There's a lot more nice homes on this side and a lot more vacant lots. Alright, let me show over here so before I go over there so you can see people are building a home right now. Right? All of these are in works right now. Right. Let's back at this. It's nice. You probably can't see all of it because of the trees. See if you can get a better view. This one is nice as well. The driveway, everything about this is nice. Alright. This looks like it started for a while, but put on hold for a good while. Good while it's put on hold. Can't tell. Right, that's probably over a year. Or probably half a year, so there for a good while. Can't tell. This one is nice too. Take my time so I can see. Alright, so this part is called Sandhills Avenue. So I go down there. But before we are going that section, but this section is called Sandhills Avenue. So we're gonna touch on that side before, and then we head back on the left side. So this is basically the house that we just passed. This is from this side. This is the side view. Tree man, tree the sports I know. Gate is a mess around the back. Alright, so we're going back around the front to show you around this section. And I get to see I'm sure you guys around the front. Alright. So that one look nice as well. Definitely. It's look nice. This is like probably like a 2-door garage. So this is a view for that one. That's that. Alright, next one on this side. Alright, so don't want to go too far and have to go the other way. Alright, this is a dead end. This is basically a dead end. Alright, so I'm gonna build a massive one on this side. You can tell that this is gonna be a massive structure. See? It's a lot of vacant lots around here. Not right here, so can't see the people them fence up in place already, so I'm definitely gonna build something right here, so right, see? Wouldn't expect no people to come around here and capture nothing still, but the people them still put up them look of fencing. This one looks good. This is a fresh one. I paint everything because they haven't done the roofing as yet, but you can tell by the design of it. It's gonna look crazy. Alright. So I'm gonna wait to show you guys this one. But because of the high fencing, you won't be able to see the full design of it. Hope you can see it. Alright. Yeah man, I want to have a lot more homes than the other side. Probably over here, so should I come first? Manas. Alright, so then I work on one right over this side. One look nice too. Alright, this one looks nice. Yeah. Alright. I just said because of the high fencing, you won't be able to see all of the design, but you can get the idea. Alright. Oh, this is the side for that one. You probably want to see the side. Alright, so not sure where the street will bring us, but oh, people. Alright, so it brought us back to the beginning of where we started from. So let's take the different direction from where we started from on the other side. So this is where we basically started from. So alright, and you can tell there's a lot of nice looking homes. Hoping you can see it from this. Alright, so I'm gonna take a different route. I'm wondering if this is basically the last place in Hellshire with, how would you say, like mansion looking type of homes, right? Because the last area that I checked out was Johnson Hill, and this is called Sandhills Bay. So this would be like two two areas with where I call it big looking homes. Leave some comment in the comment section if you have any other areas in Hellshire you want to know about. When I say, yeah man, them have some big houses too, or probably even bigger than the ones that I checked out already, right? So this is the same place that we started from when we went there. So we're basically going in that direction. So I don't even know where to start from, because there are different directions going there and also going in the opposite direction. So I don't even know where to start from. We can't walk out the whole entire place. Jaja. Oh, so I walk past one here. Alright. It's unfinished right now, but you can tell it's gonna be massive. It's gonna be massive, people. Alright, so. Alright. I wonder. Alright, let's go this way. So, going this way. These structures now, them look like them been here for a while, right? Them are nothing new. The ones that are in front of me right now, these are definitely not new. I see some nice looking one on the right. I wonder if I should go the right direction. People them have them bad dog though. Them look a personal alarm system. Them have cameras on their homes, but them have them bad dog as well. Can signal them to them say, yo, man in the area video. Alright, so we have these ones. Monitor. Alright, so we have this one. Like I said, because of the fencing, you won't be able to see the homes. Yeah. You gotta try calm down the dog then. Alright, so this is a nice looking one. But them look kind of similar, first and the second one. Look at this one. Hope you guys can see this one. Alright. The one is big. Definitely big. Yeah. Alright. Can't really see that one because of the trees and stuff like that, but here look like a dead end. Alright, so going to have to make a U-turn, but let me just show you the last house right here. Alright, so this is basically the last house in here, so I can't tell. So basically I do the foundation and everything right here, so so I head back. There's a lot of vacant lots around this area as well. Yeah, the breeze that kicked to the But like I said, you can't expect that because we're basically close to the sea. So that's why. So when we reach at the end of this street, we'll be heading on the other section, which would be up there. We seem to have a lot more modern looking homes. Right, just past these ones. Like I said, these ones look, I haven't been here for some time. Kind of look, both of them look kind of similar. A nice house over there, so. Empty lots. Alright, so we are going to go on the left side. We're going that way. So much walking me out of people. Guys, and hit the like button, please. How much walking me out of? Hot sun. Look at this one. Look at this one. It's definitely a nice looking big. It's a mansion right here. To the sides. That one. And then contain everything. So it was about a 40-foot container right here. So. And that man. This is a much older looking structure. No saying I love that one here. As me love it. That's why I'm saying I love it too. Wow. Nice. This is nice. Definitely a nice one. Nice looking one. Nice. Kid, everything about this area is nice. Side, take a look on the sides. Sides a nice one. It's a nice one. Alright. Alright, so You have a structure right here. Alright, let's go this direction. I want a big still. What is 1, 2, 3 floors? 3 floors. Definitely, this is definitely a nice looking one. So this part of the house looks like, yeah, this is the front of the house. So I was just at the side of it, so this is the front of it. All right. So you see there's a massive looking one right in front of me, people. But you can see, well, I'm before I reach here, so the next one over here. So alright, so here's a massive looking one right there. Alright, so see, this one is definitely big. No one go too far at people have property, give them privacy. But this is definitely gonna be a nice looking one when we finish. Alright. We have our next one over this side. Most looking is a older structure. So it's nothing modern. Like they get you kind of color coordinated with the whole entire house. Alright. Nice. Alright, so I think it's just one left on this street, and then we can probably call it a day. Oh yeah, I never touch around there, so people. I think around there is where I made the turn off and I went back around. So we have a couple more around that section. So let us touch on this purple looking one. Alright, so now I go too far up here. So this is basically it. Alright. And like I said, people, there's a lot of empty, a lot of vacant lots around this section as well. Alright, so around this section is called Sandhills Close. Alright, So alright. And you know what happens some of the times, people, you know, the homes them pass on to them kids them, and you know the kids them build on it, and then them pass on to their kids, and it just keep on building on top of building and stuff like that. So you know, so some of the time when we see some big looking homes them, I tell the people that come from far, right? They come from far, whether them overseas as well. People them save them money, come back to Jamaica, build them nice looking house, stuff like that, you know. And why not? Like I said, people have one life. If you have the money, you build a dream house where you want to build, right? Definitely build a dream house. I will just pass this one. So this is basically the front part, and this one looks nice as well. This one looks nice. You can't see this one, alright, because of all of the trees and stuff like that. But the gate is nice. The gate is nice. It is definitely nice. Plus I have the nice sidewalks and stuff like that. Yeah, what is nice. So I'm gonna build a little structure over this side as well. Yeah, we looked on that one already. Or that side, we're coming from that side. This one is nice. So we have one on this side as well. Alright, but because of the big gate, they can't even sit on the other side. Alright, enough of that one. It's a new structure I put up there. Put up a nice looking structure and thing. Place I'm gonna get well developed, people. Oh, to the side of the house, step going up. This is a nice one. So basically the side of it. So coming to an end of this segment. A lot of empty lots around this side. Alright, so got this one. Working on the top, but I'm not deck off the top as well. More vacant lot, people. Not sure what to make of this one. Needs a lot of upgrading. The walls them need paint and stuff like that. It's a nice looking home gonna be right beside it. But one I can't fix it up. Don't like the roofing still. Kind of have shingles. Like shingles. See, more vacant. Lots around this section. Alright, so this is basically the one that I turned and went around that section. So this is basically the last house that we're gonna touch on around this section. Spent some time on it. Showing the side already, but I'm showing the side again for it. Alright, so you know, wide shot. So here is another section. I didn't see this one, but let's just take out a few homes that is in this area and then we can call it a day. What kind of homes these sections have? They seem to have a lot of bigger looking models. So we're gonna basically check out this section. Not sure of what I'm gonna find, but let's see. You know, this is just a journey for us. Everything right now is an adventure. So let's just check out this first unit right here. Tell me guys what you think about this one. Alright, hope you can see it properly. Alright, so let's move along. So passing another one here, so you can't see all of the structure because the fences are so high. Alright, and this one. Tell me what you feel about that one. Alright? Why is this making noise? We started before the thing that burst. So around here, so I have a lot of nice looking, big mansion looking homes. Hold on, check down here first. Wow. Alright, so let me check on this one before. Yeah, so you see that one there. Basically I work on that one here. So this is definitely a nice looking one as well. Can't really see. Around us to definitely have some nice big looking mansion. And this one. Not paint up anything yet, but that'll look nice. So definitely a big structure. Alright, so this is basically a different section than what we checked out before. Some have a lot of vacant lots around this section. See a phone number here, so for sale. You guys can see it properly. What's that? See, you can call it number 876-880-2984. So I guess you call a person and you can get to buy this section over here. Right? So we'll continue. So there are a lot more bigger homes over this section. Doesn't seem to me that anybody is home. Two-car garage. Can't tell, so somebody own over here, so them just build a nice looking fence around it. I don't know how long this look like. I don't know if it says it's like a couple of years. It's like a couple of years. So just build a nice big fence around it. So anytime I'm ready to build a house, get them mash up. So definitely look like years to me. It's a nice big looking one over this side. So them turn them house to the sea, so them can have the sea view. Alright, so this one now, I don't think I go too far. Some nice looking ones on this section. People have a dog running so. We won't go too far. I'm gonna look empty. This one is empty. Everybody have a dog running so. It's a nice looking one on this side. Cameras up on everything. Some nice house on the side, man. Some honest finish one here. Alright, that one here. Comment in the comment section. You don't like that design here? Take my time and walk past. You guys like the design of this one? You can tell that it's gonna be a big looking mansion. Let's see if I can get a view of the side. The one. One of the 12 bedroom and 12 bathroom ones then. Alright, so this one is a massive one as well. Alright guys, as we said, we're not gonna go too far. Let's call it a day. Alright everyone, so we've reached the end of the video. I really hope you like this one. So in the meantime guys, just leave in the comment section if you want me to do more tours like this, whether in Portmore or somewhere else in Jamaica. Just drop it in the comment section. Alright, and do remember to put a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also share the video. Tell a friend and tell a friend to tell a friend. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go and watch the rest of the videos on the channel in the meantime until I drop my next video guys. So until next time, peace.